I'm Ryan Johnson.
I'm Zach Metza, and we're gonna make you guys some smoothies today.
I went with just milk, whey protein, banana, blueberries, peanut butter, and chia seeds.
And mine's pretty simple. It's just strawberries, bananas, blueberries, a couple of my favorite fruits, spinach, chia seeds, milk, and some whey protein.
So I'm just gonna eyeball this measurement. I have milk right here, provides amino acids, great for muscle repair.
While he does that, I'm putting some strawberries in. I just kind of eyeball it and change the flavor. If I want a little more strawberry, I put more strawberries. But all the fruits are good antioxidants just to support immune health and keep yourself healthy so you can keep playing.
Here's some pasture-raised whey protein. Just gonna add a scoop after practice. It's a great way to get my protein back in me.
Oh, we got some chia seeds. I know me and RJ both put them in. Fats can be very good for you in the right ways, and there are ways to just reduce inflammation. And then I'll throw some spinach in here again. I'll put some milk in like RJ, and then add some protein. Hopefully we'll have created a pretty decent smoothie. Blend it up.
It's a good looking smoothie.
I think we did all right here.
Let's see which one's better.
Oh yeah, look at the colors. Honestly, very similar. You just have peanut butter in yours. Obviously it tastes great, and it's gonna do a lot of good things for us nutritionally.
For more information on how to build your own smoothie and nutritional information and the 4 building blocks, go to wegmans.com/eatlikeapro.